instruction video on how to put the car out of transit shipping modus on a Toyota Prado new model. It's actually very easy. So we have the Toyota Prado new model over here, and when it comes out of the vessel, you need to put the car back into its normal function, because when they ship it, they from the factory in the vessel, to save the battery, they remove a fuse, which the remote control doesn't work anymore, or only at the driver's side. So when you get the car back at home, you have to put the car from shipping modus, transit modus, it's the same word, to its normal functioning driving mode. So basically, when you have here, you have the engine. There is two fuse boxes, one over there, left side, right side. In the right side, there is a special tool, like a pins, where you can take these fuses all over. You can take them out more easily. So now, it's very easy. You open the lid with a key, for example, or a screwdriver, something like this. You just take your key, you push over here, then the lid will come off. The lid will come off, and you have here a design with all the functions inside. Also in the manual, you can find out where it comes from. So okay, now very easy. Long story to get things right. You see this fuse, it says 30 amperes. You just remove it with your fingers, or with the special tool which is on the other side. It's like a small clasp, and then you put it here, where is the 10 ampere, the red one over there, just next to it, which now I will try to remove this. I don't have this. I will do it with my key. So voilà. I'm trying to do this evenly. Voila. So now I have taken the 30 amperes out, and I'm gonna place it here, just under the 30 ampere, 10 amperes. Voilà. It's over there now. You see, just below. Okay. Now the car is good. That's it. Close the lid, and now your remote of the car will function again. Hope this was useful. You see, now the car can open. Even the trunk makes a sound, so we can open the trunk again. Oh, sorry, it closed. There it goes. So now it's the only thing that you need to do. So one fuse box on the right, one on the left side. Open this lid, take out the 30 amperes fuse which I showed you, put it below the one, the red one, 10 amperes, click, and everything works fine again. Your remote works fine again. We'll show you again. Close. Oh yeah, we'll have to first close the trunk. Car is closing itself, and when we open up, just by putting this green 30 ampere fuse there. It's just when they ship the car out of the factory when this is done. All right. Good luck to it. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel. See you. Greetings from GD Europe.